today we are going to learn this visualization, which is line chart. We are going to add our data to it, which will show us what was trend job in 2024, and in January we had 91,822 data jobs, and like this we are going to create this. So let's begin. First, let me just remove this one. So first we are going to add our visualization to the screen. After that I'm going to make this bigger and also from the side. Then I'm going to add my data to this. So I'm going to add job posted date in the x-axis and job title short in the y-axis, because it's count of our titles or the jobs. So now this job posted date has 4 kind of dates, but we only need month. So I'm going to remove year, quarter and day. So now it's almost made, but now I'm going to make it a little bit organizer and cleaner. So let me change this to job count, and after that we don't need this title because we know these months, so we don't need any title to represent it. So let's just turn it off. Let's go to x-axis and title. So after that we are familiar with these two parts, but now we are also going to learn a little bit about this part. So but first let's go to general to modify our main title. Let's name this to what was trend job in 2024 and the question mark at the end, and let's make this bigger and center it like this. And then let's go to add further analysis to your visual. We can add a minimum line which shows in which month we had the lowest job. So let's add this like this, and we can also add in which month we had the most jobs like this, and almost January we had most job counts. And also we can add a average line like this. So there you have it. I hope you have learned something from me and enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.